Hare Krishna. We did 8:21. First
Canto 8, we are doing Canto 8, chapter 20, first verse.
By Lord's arrangement, Shukracharya becomes a material guru and advises Bali Maharaj to not give 3 steps of land to Amandev. Lord wanted to glorify Bali Maharaj and show that his devotee never compromises principles of bhakti even when tested in difficult situations. Bali Maharaj does not follow the instructions of his guru and he remains silent. He was obligated to his guru for reviving him when he died in the battle, but still
Is now going to reply to Shukracharya. If we had been in that situation, हाँ, हम तो पहले ही पीछे हट जाते थे. अगर हम रहते प्रभु जी, I'm asking you, if we were in that situation where our guru is ordering and he is telling us कि भाई आपका ये पूरा का पूरा लेके चले जाएगा, हाँ, और आपके झूठ बोलने का भी हम आपको आइडिया बता देंगे जिससे आप कोई फंसने वाले नहीं हो. And he gave the शास्त्रिक प्रमाण also that how you can escape from this vow of not giving, because ultimately you will become a pauper. Ultimately he is not going to keep for himself, he is going to give to Indra. And I am ordering you, what? As a guru, that Om was not said. You know, because giving any promise, आपको पहले Om बोलना पड़ता है. Without Om, that promise not promise. It is not official. क्या है? It is not. So all the ways were given by Shukracharya to get out of that vow, because after that everything will be vanished. Everything will be taken from Bali Maharaj. His fame, his money, his power, his associates, everything will be taken. And he had a chance. हमारे पास कभी ऐसा लाइफ में सिचुएशन आ जाता है ना, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है हमारे लाइफ में, सबसे पहले चीज जो हम छोड़ देते, माला छोड़ देते साइड में. हाँ, मन नहीं लगता है. If such a situation happens in our life, but you see that Bali Maharaj is in a situation where he is getting an order from his guru, and we are trying to understand from Bhagavatam what is a real guru and what is a bogus guru also. When a bogus guru, उसका स्वार्थ आ जाता है ना गुरु का, तो कैसे अपने शिष्य को उल्टे रास्ते में डाल देता है. That is what we learn, the lesson. Shukracharya, who is a big acharya, and he is seeing कि अगर ये मेरा यजमान का सब छीन जाएगा तो फिर मेरा क्या, मेरा ही अस्तित्व भी खत्म हो जाएगा, मेरा दुकान बंद हो जाएगा. वो यज्ञ करवा रहा है भगवान विष्णु को प्रसन्न करने के लिए. He is doing that yajna to satisfy the Lord. But when the Lord is coming, नहीं, अभी नहीं देना उसको, पूरा नहीं देना. Yes. हाँ, they could not recognize. They could not recognize. तो एक बार क्या होता है, भक्ति एक और वस्तु होती है, और you know what you say, goodness, और क्या है ना, there are many people in the society बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें करते हैं, बट जब आचरण पे आता है ना, बोलते हमारे लिए नहीं है ये. बाद में करता हूं. हाँ, देखेंगे. हाँ, very difficult. Yes.
applicable to the
हाँ, सामने वाले के लिए पूरा लेक्चर है, हमारे लिए कोई भी लेक्चर नहीं है. एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी लर्न. Shukracharya is the most, even in the Bhagavad Gita, his name is given. Ushna Kavi. I am among the Ushna, I am the topmost intelligent person. But then also he is doing this act. But actually we know that it is a play of the Lord, where Shukracharya is acting as an anti-guru, advisor to test Bali Maharaj. Actually, this is a test of Bali Maharaj. So one another lesson that we learn, when you become a devotee and as you go higher stages, Lord will test you. Lord will test you. It is always there, like we were reading this Prabhupada Leela Amrita. From 1954 up to 1965, 52, it started with 52, now Jhansi incident, 52 to 1965, Prabhupada every day was tested, and every day is going to get failures, big failures. This entire Jhansi episode will make him a super beggar. Prabhupada will become a super beggar after, we are reading this, after 3 years, he will have nothing with him. All his savings will get finished. And ultimately, that property, because he had not 500 rupees, how much? He had to leave that property. For registration, he had not 500 rupees. And now, after 3 years, he can't go back to family life. Here also, kidhar jaave? And every day, Prabhupada, Krishna was testing Prabhupada. Every day. And the same thing, it is said, test comes in the life of a pure devotee to glorify him. And to teach others lesson, that how strong and determination he is there even in all that problems. For sadharan devotees like us, test comes. Why? To purify us. For karmis, the test comes because of their karmas. So the problems that comes in anybody's life, first reason is because of karmas. But when a person becomes a devotee, he surrenders, then Lord wants to purify him. Lord wants to purify him. Because the vasanas which are there inside, if until all that vasanas doesn't get purified, how can he go back to the spiritual world? And that's why Lord takes the responsibility of, testing and putting him testing through all the phases. And here we know Bali Maharaj is Mahajana. What is he? Mahajana. If a tamasi disciple was there, na, जैसे कंस ने ले लिया, आपको मालूम है कंस is also there. Immediately when he was disclosed that ये इसका 8वां पुत्र, ये तुम्हारी बहन का 8वां पुत्र कौन होने वाला है? तुम्हारा मौत का कारण बनने वाला है. Immediately he took out the sword and took, it is very, 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 for any सज्जन आदमी, किसी आदमी के लिए भी, to take the hair of a woman, उसको पकड़ के खींचना, it is the last thing that anybody can, मतलब उसका सब, जिसको बर्बाद करना है ना अपने आप को, लाइफ को, then you have to pull the hair of, a lady. Last thing. And that he did. Who? Why? Immediately Akashvani. And why did the Akashvani happen? Because he was serving the devotees. Kansa was, and the Devatas felt upset. Because the weak point of the Lord is that कोई कितना भी पापी हो, कितना भी पापी हो, अगर वो भक्त के शरण में आ जाता है और भक्त की सेवा में लग जाता है, क्या तो भगवान उसको सब माफ कर देते, उसका पूरा पूरा हिसाब किताब क्या कर देते. So the devatas were worried that 99.9% of papa of Kansa is, it is almost done. And now he is serving. He is becoming a charioteer of whom? Devaki. And he is serving them. तो इसका पाप का क्या होगा? And he is trying to act like a devotee. So immediately then, to test him, the Akashvani happened. That if he is a devotee, then he will accept. But if he is not, then he will do Vaishnava Aparadh. What? And doing Vaishnava Aparadh, immediately the Lord will come, fast to help the devotees and relieve him. So that was the reason the Akashvani was done. And the same happened with Bali Maharaj also over here. But there he showed his Asura Swabhava, the Tamasi Asura Swabhava. If the same Swabhava was, see, Bali Maharaj is coming from the same Vanshaja, from Rakshas Vanshaj. But then also, because he had the blessings of Prahlad Maharaj, एक devotee का blessings था. That's why he had that bhava of a devotee. So how a devotee speaks in such a situation where he sees that everything is been going to finish, and how he sticks to his principle, and that is the greatness that we are going to now read. Okay, so please read, Mataji. Please start.
8:20 verse number 2.
Verse number 2. Baliruvacha.
Shri Baliruvacha.
Shri Baliruvacha.
Satyam Bhagavata Prokta.
Dharmo ayam graha medinam. Artham kamam yasho vritti. Yona badheta katyachit.
Bali Maharaj said, as
No, you read each and every word. Shri Bali Maharaj.
Bali Maharaj said, Satyam, it is truth, Bhagavata, by your greatness, Proktam, what is
Here, first thing you can understand, even though Bali Maharaj being a Bhagavata himself, and now as a guru, Shukracharya is advising wrong. It is not, he is not advising rightly. A guru's work is to take a disciple towards the Lord. A guru's work is to take a disciple and liberate him and take him back to the Godhead. A guru's work is help him to cut down the karma bandhana, not to increase the karma bandhana. That is the work of a guru. How to liberate him from the clutches of this material world. That is the work of a guru. So here we know that Bali Maharaj understands all this thing, and he knows that the advice that is coming to him is, but now also he is saying, yeah, Satyam Bhagavata. You are Bhagavata. What are you? You are great. So here we learn the art of humility. What we learn? Trinadape sunichena tarorape sahishuna amanina manadena kirtanya sadahare. Try to give respect to others. Do not try to take, accept respect from others. That is a Bhagavata. So here, even though he is speaking wrong, he is saying you are great. What are you? You are great. So, the art, never try to hurt the ego of other person. क्या है?
One should not try to hurt
At least the senior लोग का.
ego of others.
Senior जो रहते हैं ना, उनका ego hurt नहीं करने का. अगर कुछ गलत भी बोल रहे हैं, you are great. हाँ? इसलिए कहते हैं कि जहां वैष्णव निंदा होती है कभी कभी सीनियर लोग के उधर, तो दो चीज होनी चाहिए, या तो इफ यू आर एबल यू शुड कट द टंग, उसका जबान काट दो, या तो आप खुद निकल जाओ या साइलेंट हो गए. हाँ? So here we know how Bali Maharaj is saying this word. Which word? You are great. Satyam. And you, whatever you have said is the truth. आप जो भी बोल रहे हो क्या है? सत्यम. But for whom? This is for Graha Medina, who are interested in this material, in this. We know this world is Dukhalay. It is mentioned in the Bhagavatam, in the Bhagavad Gita. Dukhalay Ashashvatam. This is a jail. Bhagavad Gita says it is a jail, and we all are inside this jail. So, those who want to stay in the jail, in the Dukhalay, they are termed as Grahamedi. What? And this type of people, what you are saying is very right. So, sarcastically, he is trying to say that what you have said is for that type of people, but not for me. Not for me. It is for Graha Medina. एक होता है गृहस्थ and एक होता है ग्रह मेदी. Right? Medhi means who is very much stuck inside this web. सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन, वो खाली कर्म और भोग में लगा के रखता है. दैट इज ग्रह मेदी. सो ही सेइंग सत्यम भागवत प्रोक्ता. व्हाट यू हैव सेड भागवत, यू आर भागवत, एंड सत्यम, एंड देन व्हाट इज इट? धर्मो अयम ग्रह मेदिना. इट इज नॉट फॉर गृहस्थास, इट इज नॉट फॉर डिवोटीज, बट इट इज फॉर Graha Medis. Whatever you have said in last chapter, that you know you can tell lie. 5 places
where you can lie.
lie specially. Which are that 5 places?
You want to get married.
You want to get married. Huh? Then?
In a marriage ceremony,
In joking.
you want to save your life or somebody.
Save your life.
Lady को
Saving cows and brahmanas. Huh?
and protecting yourself,
Business में lie बोलना पड़ेगा.
protecting yourself from an enemy.
And protecting yourself from enemies. That time you can tell lie.
And when you want to flatter a woman to bring
वुमेन को फ्लैटर करना है तब भी लाई बोल सकते हैं आप. So, so this is the dharma who is saying Graha Medina, who want to get stuck in this material world, who do not want to come out of the karma bandhana, who do not have interest in Lord, who do not, their goal of their life is not to serve, but to enjoy. For such type of people, what you are saying is right.
is correct.
Is totally right. But not for devotees. So he is trying to say, Graha Medina, this is the dharma of Graha Medina. Then what he says? Artha, Kama, Yasha, Vritti, Yona, Badhayate, Karachit. Read the meaning, Mataji.
But Graha Medinam, especially for the householders, Artham, economic development, Kamam, sense gratification, Yasha, Vrittim, reputation and means of livelihood, here which religious principle, not Badheta, hinder, Karachit at any time. Bali Maharaj said, as you have already stated, the principle of religion that does not hinder one's economic development, sense gratification, fame, and means of livelihood is the real occupational duty of a householder. I also think that this religious principle is correct.
So, कभी किसी के साथ में आपका विवाद होता होगा ना, you know, एक आर्ट you learn. जिस बात के साथ आप एग्री होते हैं ना, वो पॉइंट को पहला रखने का. अरे आपकी ये बात तो अच्छी है, and he will feel, अरे वाह, हाँ, but then you have to come little, but ये point, you know, Like today only, that poster was there in Prithivardhanam poster. I didn't saw that the hall name was same. And one Mataji was doing the seva enthusiastically. There is a group poster. So then I didn't know, but then this call started coming in the group. तो एक ही हॉल में दोनों हॉल में सेम क्लास कैसे होगा? Then I realized the mistake is there, and the Mata also did not realize that mistake is there. Then I called her, Mataji, so nice poster, wonderful poster. It is so beautiful. The art is designed, this is designed, very nice. I hope you'll create more posters. But there is one mistake. Please correct it. You have put that hall name as same. And it's very beautiful. But just correct this thing. So, the things, this is the way to deal. So here, Bali Maharaj is trying to point out, this is right. What you are saying is right. But for whom? Graha Medhina. They are interested in artha, kama, yasha, vritti. They want artha. They want kamnas. They want this thing. But this is not applicable for who want to go back, which is the ultimate goal of the human life. Yam yam vapi smaranam bhava tajante ante kalevaram tam tam eva vyakti konte sada tad bhava bhavita tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mam anusmara yuddhaja. That is what the devotee wants. Always think of me. For them it is not right. But see the beauty of speaking to a senior. Try to make him agree the good points. And then
Start with the positive.
positive. If you want to correct somebody, start with positive. If you start with negative, वो थोड़ा बहुत उत्साह है वो भी, that will go down. So many things we learn from the way the acharyas speak, way the seniors speak. So in the first, we learn the art of taking out the positive. What? Speak positively. सामने वाले को अगर आपको बोलना है, speak positive about it. And then you put the thing. This is how Bali Maharaj is going to deny what you have said is not right, and ultimately Shukracharya will get very upset and he will give shrap. He will give him shrap. That everything of yours will get finished and you will get, everything. And he is ready to take the shrap for the sake of Lord. That is the greatness. And that's why Bali Maharaj is called as Atma Nivedanam Acharya. Navavidha Bhakti, he surrendered everything. Tana, Mana, Dhana. When the last feet was, not there, he told to the Lord, कि धन से बड़ा धन का जो उसको रखता है ना, owner is much greater than the wealth. So it belonged to me. So now I will become your servant. What? And keep your third leg on my head. You can take me also. Huh? You know now Harishchandra, how he was doing, and when his son came, that time also he was asking his wife to give the money. Huh? So when we study the history of great people, that type of qualities come in our life. But if we study the history of today's people, बोलता कुछ और है, करता कुछ और है, and they become their hero. आजकल के लोग कैसे हैं? जो सबसे ज्यादा झूठ बोलता है वही सुपर मतलब मास्टर. who is the art of speaking lie. He is called as very good person. But here when we study Bhagavatam, we learn the art of how appreciate, how to speak, and how to stick to the principles. Here Bali Maharaj stuck to his principles. He didn't deviate from his principles of bhakti at no cost. Srila Prabhupada, when he went to US, Arya Samajis, others, they were in pant and shirt, in coat. And they told, you have came first time in US, थोड़े दिनों में आप भी सुधर जाएंगे हमारे जैसे. अभी से थोड़ा ये धोती बोती निकाल लो. क्या बोले? No. They were telling that you remove this and become like us. पैंट पहनो क्योंकि इतना ठंडी है, माइनस. Prabhupada simply told one thing. I have not came here to take something from US. I have came here to give what my Guru Maharaj has given. Our culture, our tradition. Huh? The same thing happened with Britishers. You know, why you have came over here? And Prabhupada told, when you were there in India, you looted everything. आपने सब लूट के चले गए हमारा. But you forgot one thing, Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. So I have come here to give that culture and that message to you. And after taking how change happens, you can see this person who is a Britisher, who is fanning me, his life has changed. Huh? So, when you stick to the principles, miracles happens. We see this ISKCON is flourishing throughout the world. Even Srila Prabhupada is not there, but he lives in his books. He was there, 108 temples. Today, more than 1,000 temples are there with the centers throughout the world. How is it possible? Because we stick to the message as it is. We never compromise on the principles which are given by our Guru Parampara. So that is what we learn over here from Bali Maharaj's life. He took very hard. Okay, now the text 3. Sacha aham vittalobhena pratyachakshe katham dvijam pratishrutya dadamiti prahalad kitoya. So somebody can come and write over here from the first shloka what we learn. We learn that yes, what you are saying is right, but this is for Graha Medhi, not for. Indirectly he is trying to say it is not for me and not for devotees. You can write here in the first. Whatever you are saying is right, first point. Because Artha, Kam and Vritti is required for Graha Medhi. Those who want to stick in this material world. First point, right? 1.1. Whatever you are saying is right. Saying is right. Money, sense gratification, reputation is required for Graha Medhi. For? Not for me. Bhakti is termed as Panchama Purusharth. What is it termed as? There are 4 types: Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. But the 5th is considered as Bhakti. And we are so fortunate that when we come in ISKCON, we come in a community like this, we are taught about the highest goal of the human life. Panchama Purushartha. We are taught that we are not this body, we are spirit soul. We are taught that our main existence of this human life is to love and serve the Lord. To re-establish our relationship with the Lord. Go back to the spiritual world. That is what is called Panchama Purushartha. Akarma. How to do akarma. Okay. Second, now third read, Mataji. Translation. No, each and every word.
Such a person as I am. Cha also. Aham I am.
Vittalobhena.
Vittalobhena. For being allured by greed for money. Pratakshase. I shall cheat or say no when I have already said yes. Katham. How? Dvijam. Especially to a Brahmana. Prati Shrutya. After already having promised Dadami that I shall give. Iti does. Pratyahariji, I who am famous as the grandson of Maharaja Prahlad. Ki va an ordinary cheater. Yatha just like.
So here, 2-3 words are very important. Vittalobhena. What is telling to Shukracharya? Vitta means money. Because of the money lobha is that I should pratyachakshe. I shall cheat and say no. So you are trying to say for vittalobhena, I should cheat and say no. And to a Brahmana. It is in the olden days, it is said, whenever a Brahmana saint, you should never tell lie. You should never tell lie. To a Brahmana or a saint or a person who is godly. Never ever say lie. And I am the grandson of the great Prahlad. So you are trying to say to the grandson of great Prahlad to cheat to a Brahmana. And for what? For Vittalobhena. But it was not some amount. It was his entire existence. It was his entire existence. But he considered that as a small amount. These 3 entire planets. See, we know for a devotee, there is nothing greater than the Lord. For a devotee. And we also know that incidents in Dwarka, where Lord was put on one side, Tulabhar, and the entire gold of the Dwarka was kept on one side. And then also, he was not, ek inch bhi nahi hil rahe Bhagwan. And ultimately then Rukmani Devi came and put a Tulasi writing Hare Krishna. क्या लिखा था उसमें? On the Tulasi Patra was written, and that went down and Lord went up. So for devotee, the highest treasure and highest asset is the name of the Lord. Name of the Lord. Because it knows why this is the treasure. Because this will take me back to Godhead. No material things will help me. Everything will remain over here. Right? So, how nicely, after first glorifying him, you are Bhagavata. What you are saying is very right. But you are telling me who is the son of? You write this point, Prabhu. Second point. Grandson of Prahlad.
To behave like an ordinary cheater.
To behave like an ordinary cheater. For what? Vittalobhena. But according to Shukracharya, that was not with his entire existence was there. All the three lokas which he was controlling would be taken away. Will be taken away. And if Lord had kept for himself, it's okay. But he will give it to his enemy. To the demigods. Indra. Huh? No. Lord captured everything. Na? And he became the controller afterwards. Yeah. So, what I am trying to say, even knowing, so he is considering all this thing a petty. All this thing as a petty. For devotees, Lord's name, Lord's seva, that is the real asset. We know about the story of Sanatan Goswami, that he had a parasmani, and from Himalaya, a saint was usko bheja tha. He had donated a lot of money, and then Badrinath, Bhagavan told to go over there and take the real treasure. सबसे बड़ा जो treasure है, you will get over there from Vrindavan. बोलते आपके पास सबसे बड़ा treasure है. Lord has sent me over here. बोला डस्टबिन के अंदर वो पारसमणि पड़ा हुआ है. You know, Sanatan Goswami had a kutir where यमुना कालिया घाट पे कुटीर थी ऊपर मदन मोहन के उधर. We know that place. So in that dustbin he had parasmani. क्या था? Everybody knows what is the parasmani. If it touches iron, it becomes gold. ऐसा कुछ हमको मिल जावे तो क्या हो जाएगा? Seeing the gold price, every day it is increasing. कहाँ से कहाँ gold price चला गया? मतलब everybody is thinking gold is sapna now. So imagine that person coming and telling, what? Give me. And he's saying that, okay, take that valuable thing. And then going after he realized, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. He is अभी भी छुपा रहा है ये आदमी. If it was valuable, while he keep it in the dustbin, कचरे में क्यों डाल के रखेगा ये? Side में. There has to be something much greater than this. Then what happened? He came back. Hey, you are telling something lie. आपके पास और कुछ इससे भी कुछ अमूल्य है आपके पास. Something greater than you. You are not giving me. And Lord has told that you will give me that, not this. What is that? Say, okay, you want that? Then there is Yamuna. You want to see this Yamuna is here? Go and throw this down. And then come. Go and put it down there. And then come back to me. Then what happened? He had firm faith that there is something much greater. And he went and put it in the Yamuna and came back. And at that time, he gave the blessings and he initiated him. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. He says, this is the real parasmani. This is the real. This parasmani will create gold and bind you in this material world. But this parasmani, which is more treasure than the gold, will, make yourself, in a beautiful gold person, and you will go back to the spiritual world. You will become gold. You will become precious. You will become pure by taking this holy name. So for devotees, money becomes a secondary thing. What is more priority is seva, holy name, and bhakti things. next is secondary. That is what, And another thing he is trying to say, what face I will show to Bali Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, if I do this. मैं मुंह क्या दिखाऊंगा? So as we disciple of Guru Parampara, अगर कुछ ऐसे हमारे लाइफ में भी आवे, जैसे 4 नियम है, नशा नहीं, जुआ नहीं, परस्त्री गमन नहीं, मांस भक्षण नहीं, इसको ब्रेक करने के पहले हम हमारे गुरु को मुंह क्या दिखाएंगे, ये भाव आना चाहिए. हाँ, कुछ भी हमारे, क्योंकि देयर विल बी, हम जैसे बाहर जाएंगे ना, बहुत प्रलोभन मिलेंगे हमको. देयर विल बी मेनी थिंग्स. माया देवी स्टैंडिंग, क्या इस, आओ. And at that time, how strong you are not to break the principles. Because you should be remembering that you belong to ISKCON. You belong to a Guru Parampara system where you cannot compromise on the spiritual principles. You cannot compromise. Because even if you are not seeing, Lord is seeing, and Guru and Vaishnava and Acharyas are seeing. So, Bali Maharaj is saying, okay, you are telling, but tell me a way out how I, being a grandson of Prahlad, how I can cheat. For the word that is used is vitta lobhena. So this is an attitude of a devotee, that he will never compromise. No meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, no illicit sex life. He will never compromise on eating. Without offering food, he will never ever eat. Every day, Bhagavatam reading will be there. His life is meant for service to Vaishnavas. He will never ever compromise. His life is meant to serve the Lord. He will never ever compromise on that. And that is what we see from Bali Maharaj. You are Guru. Now please explain me how I can do this. Fourth point. Fourth shloka. Who will read, Prabhu? Read.
Nahi yasyat paro dharma iho vacha bhuriyam
Iho